beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, right now it's Sunday, and as you know, we just moved into our new home. So Kimberly and myself wanted to do some landscaping. So where are we at? Well, where am I at? Because right now it's 9:36 in the morning. So Kimberly's at home, and they'll probably getting them ready, making them breakfast or whatever. Right now, I'm about to leave my favorite place, the Home Depot. What do we get? Well, we got some plants, some shrubs, some edging, we got some mulch, a whole bunch of stuff for gardening, and we'll explain and dig a little deeper, literally, into what we got once we get back to the house. Yesterday we did plant something. We planted a Japanese maple tree in the front yard. I'll show you guys that when we get there. But yeah, it's gonna be awesome. This is so much fun, buying a new house and being able to decorate it and hook it up how you want, exactly how you want, with nobody telling you otherwise, is incredible. So stay tuned, guys, and you'll see it in a bit. This is the Japanese maple tree that we planted yesterday. And these grow, they're gonna grow to about 15 feet. And they have beautiful burgundy leaves. It's probably my favorite plant. We threw some red mulch down there. And so now we're getting started. What we have is some holly. We have some Japanese silvergrass. These grow in the fall. Well, they bloom in the fall. You get these beautiful. And then here we have, I don't know what these ones are called, but they do have thorns. They're this beautiful burgundy and green. And then we went ahead and grabbed a dwarf spruce. It's gonna be about 6 feet tall. And those are the four different plants and trees that we're gonna have over here. So what we're trying to figure out right now, we need to get the right spacing in between, which is about 2 to 3 feet per bush. And so we're also getting our edging design. Enzo's over there helping out, Kimberly's right there. And so what we thought was going to be enough space, it's not going to be enough in between each plant and bush to get exactly what we want. So we have tons of space up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand this curb and either go round with it or maybe more curved in and then curved again. Like I said, either straight round. But we're gonna play around with it and see what will give us the right look and right space. And then once we do the edging, we're gonna put our edging block right here, put it around, secure that, get the plants dug in, and then go ahead and top it off with some mulch. We also do have some topsoil bags up in there that we're gonna go ahead and fill in with each plant. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, so once we get your border all set up in the shape that you want, which this is what ours is gonna look like, we're gonna round the edge and just go straight into the pathway. Once you get that, now we wanna level the surface. We wanna get rid of all the grass and all the weeds so we don't have any of that growing in once we plant. And then spread it to the mulch. So we're gonna pull all that up and then dig our holes for our plants where we want them and keep on going. Out the whole area, and now we're gonna start setting our plants down and then start digging. All right, guys, so far we went ahead, we put the edging, all the edgings are held in by stakes. And make sure that we got 50 feet of edging, and we go ahead and we cut them to wherever we want it to end, right? So here's the shape. Don't mind that corner kind of looping around. It's gonna get covered by the mulch. So we got the 2 pieces of holly. We're gonna put the spruce right in the middle, and then fill in the spacing with the others. And we're pretty much there, guys. So we had to go and pick up a 4th one of these, and yeah, does look different. It's the same plant, but you know, they get new plants every single day, so they didn't have any more exactly like what we already had, so it'll all grow out to be the same. But now, last touch, we're gonna spread some mulch in there, about a couple inches of mulch, and then it's gonna complement that brick behind it beautifully. And then that's gonna be it for this video. I'll show you guys the end result in a minute. Guys, we love it, love it, love it, love it. The end result is beautiful. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you think that it's as beautiful as we think. It wasn't very expensive. For everything, I believe we spent about, what, $200? $260? Spent about $260 on everything, all the materials. We got everything at Home Depot. Great thing about Home Depot, if your plants end up dying after you plant them, they guarantee everything, so you can return them. You just dig them out and bring them right back, and they'll take care of you and probably exchange it for another one. So yeah, check out Home Depot. See you guys in the next one. Peace.